just not sure whether it is real the old one or new one or not, so I'll do it again. Copy. So here we got a list of dependency from CPU RTA of 0.9.7 version. Next one we need this. Right, do the same thing. Copy this, put it inside my plugin list, save, do the same thing, destination folder, got updated with more. Put it here. Delete everything in destination folder. Forgot. I cannot do paste because it's not this one. It was this file. Copy. Paste this. View. And destination folder we have more jar file. Move this into plugin. Move and replace. Do this for the next conflicts. Delete everything. Cool. And then we need to do for the next NVIDIA. Da 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 da. Save. Aha. Just basically copy every do we need for the genetics? Just check the plugin in here, genetics. Doesn't seem so. Interesting. Source. Let's see, just test and see what happened. We need a few, we'll be fine. Now we will replace everything in the plugin folder with a new one. Alright, open this. RTA, do we do the RTA one? Did I? Just in case. Bam. Okay. Now we copy this plugin into our new plugin folder. Delete this. 49. Paste. So these are the new updated version of the plugin of the new 097. And next is we have to create the dependency from name, jar name. There we go. So we make this dependency list from jar. Jar name retriever. So we put in plugin list dependency from jar name. To this, refresh. Now see, so the model is 0.9.5, but in the plugin we have model of App4mc. Where is it? This one. This is the new one. Need to change that shit and we good. Let's change it. So this okay, let's copy this. Copy to get a path. Go over here, plugin list, paste it. No, let's put in jar name. Paste this, save. So now we have the list of jar name. And then dependency from jar name. This we print down a where's the output file? Dependency list from jar txt, this one, and then run. done. Okay. Just need to check. There we go. Copy all of this. And in the POM file, we fix everything here. Dependency, just paste everything in the dependency list. Be good. Uh-oh. Copy. Delete from this. Paste again. Sorted. Bam, bam. This one should be a new one, right? There we go. 7. Save. And Maven update. Okay. Pew. POM file. 7. Pew 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 pew. Save this. This one. Dependency. Close all this. Report. Aha. Yeah, of course it's missing. We didn't run the whole Maven in here. POM. Remove the build in the RTA POM. Okay. Change. Cool. Offset. Okay. So the report one, missing artifact. Yep, because the Maven didn't run yet. Maven. AA. 38. For this. We have the POM file here, so yeah. Command window. Uh-oh. RTA is fine, but CPU RTA cannot. Why cannot CPU RTA? So we have to check CPU RTA dependency. La. There we go, right here. 7. Come on, man. Save. And we run. So when the error say it cannot found something like time or some kind of plugin required, to check in the POM file whether the plugin is connected or not. And here, GA mapping. Uh-oh. Yeah, GA mapping test is failed. So basically just simple GA mapping. Oh get overflow. Okay. Now next task is to add this into our new in the whole RTA thingy. So pretty simple. Just create POM file, or just copy and paste POM file. Yeah, work that way too. So we have the GA mapping. GA mapping depends on these, because like look at the plugin dependency, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So it depends on the plugin. So we have the plugin folder, this project 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, right? So we want something that is less dependent to other. So I think nope, this is depend on RTA. So RTA probably gonna be free from everything. Yep, RTA don't only depend on plugin. And CPU RTA only depend on the plugin too. So yep. So go to RTA and this POM file, copy and put it in here. Paste. Bloop. So because it's the same parents, but we have to change the name. Copy. Put a name here. There we go. Same version. Only depend on plugin. These are for the build. And here is how it works. We want to know where to build the file and the test. Why? So normally we have a test folder separate. So well, you know what? I just create a test separate test package. New, right here, new package with this name .test with an S. Bloop. Okay, and we move this one here. Okay. So now we have a test file and a run file. Run as, let me do unit test. Okay, good. And now build. So the source, we need to, so how many, so like for example in RTA we have 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So in here they have 4 source holder, 1 source holder, 2 sort, 3 sort, 4, and then a test. See? So all we need to do is only the source folder. So our source folder is this one, right? So copy, just that. So add on multi-core GPU NVID RTA. There we go. Execution. So we only have 1 source folder so far. We delete the source folder, and then we want the test source folder. So again, we just replay the name right here, save, right? But this is just, we just specify when the POM is calculated, right? But we didn't link this one into the RTA main. So what we have to do, because now in this part, yeah, the NVIDIA, we only say, yep, this is belong to the RTA main parent, but the parent doesn't recognize this as a child. So what we have to do right here in the POM file, right here, we put one more and wait. Done. So, and now let me see. Good. I don't know why we cannot run Maven from here, but I think, yeah, straightforward. It's just an empty parent. So from RTA here, bam, 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 clean install. Now we just check how many tree mapping get wrecked. So we have GPU and with RTA is included in the Maven. So report is skipped because it depends on everything, right? Yo, let's check the report. What do we have in report? Yep. Missing artifact because it couldn't do it, I think. So let's put our disputed. J mapping is missing because it couldn't run a test. So the best way to do this is to run to modify the J mapping, run it in the J mapping test right here. Oh, I mean, like we can fix this. We can get a report by ignore all the tests here, right? Ignore all the tests, and then we got the jar file because it's already generated via the other one, and then we return the test back in. But not sure. Should we or should we not? It's kind of sketchy, to be honest. First, let's check the NVID RTA. NVID RTA test didn't run any test, but it did get inside. So we just need to check out the schematics now, like the form of the test. For example, in GPU and in here, the test file here, it need to have the name test. Okay, because like look, when we go to test here, we have test, the test name in front of pretty much every test classes and the test functions. So right now we have no test run, even though we have like one test here. So what do? We test just right. I mean, I don't think we change anything because it's just a public void. But again, if we run clean install, so in order to make test run, we have to put test in front of the name of the file, right? So in here, of course, failure because of calculation. Don't know how, I don't know why, but so implemente RTA one test run. See, it did run, but don't know why I cannot see the whole CMD. Never mind, we're good. Okay, now just take screenshot. And now we finish the video here.